Video, I'm going to be demonstrating the actual call cycle and how the app will cycle through the list of contacts which are already on Firebase due to the video which I did previous to this, where I showed you how to create a list through the introductory screens and how to upload contacts. So now I will show you the dialer view. This is my physical iPhone. It is just casting to my Mac through a cable so I can screen record it with this video. But this is a real physical iPhone, so I will be able to initiate calls through this phone. Now obviously these are demo contacts which are just on the simulator, so these aren't actual numbers, but I will show you how they initiate a actual call. So let's begin. The list which we actually uploaded the contacts to is under lists, and each contact is under list 1. So this is the simulator. The iPhone is here. So I will select list 1 from the drop down. Now if I go to the dialer view, it says dial list 1. You can see that it's taken the name of the list from the selected list in the drop down. Just for testing purposes, if I clicked weekend list, the dialer view will see dial weekend list. So you can see that based on whatever list you want to dial, you select that in the drop down, and now you can dial that list. But our contacts are uploaded to list 1, so for our purposes we're going to choose list 1. Now let's click dial list 1. The first is Bell Twain, and you can see that it actually pops up with the dialog with the system native code for that number. If I click that number, it actually dials that number. I will cancel that. But now I'm going to click yes to move to the next. Here it says David Taylor. The phone number is this, and you can see that it will launch with that exact same phone number. Again, I'm going to click the number, and it dials in the native phone app. I'm going to click yes again. And now it says Hank M. Zangaroff, and it's going to say this number. Again, the same number that is displayed in the call dialog will appear in the native iOS calling dialog. I will click that, and again it opens that call dialog. Now I'm going to press close. So I didn't go through the whole list, and for this reason I will show you in the next video how the reporting view works and how you can see how much percentage completion of each list that you have works. I will also show you that I can reset the index and say I wanted to start the list again. I will go here and click dial list, and again we can see the list has started from contact 1, Bell Twain, and the app works as functional. Again, if I click yes, David Taylor, and the dialog pops up after a few seconds. This is a manual delay that I've added just so the user can react to the screen and doesn't misclick, so the dialog gets dismissed. I'm going to click close again, and just for other purposes I'm going to say reset index again, go to the dialer view, dial 1, and it works as expected, starting from the contact 1. I'm going to press cancel and click close. I will show you how the reporting view works in the next video, so stay tuned.